It's February 1st at noon, and it's 54 degrees Fahrenheit outside, and bees are really active right now. Let's take a look. They're actually bringing some pollen, so they're finding some pollen and bringing some pollen. So that means that the queen is probably gonna start laying brood, or maybe she already started. But we got some whitish pollen and the yellow. That's quite a bit of pollen. So that is excited, and seems like February 1st I still have all my 5 hives still show activity. Not looked for the queen yet, but looks like pollen is coming in. Like all of the hives are using this opportunity to get some resources. So that's pretty cool. Some of them are cleaning out. Getting some pollen. Definitely getting some pollen. This is the weakest hive. Well, it's a single bee. Yeah, I don't know about the weakness of it. Also are getting some pollen, so let's actually take a look at one of the hives and see how they look inside. So I do have the plastic covers, clear plastic covers, so you can see the activity here. So the cluster is broken. It's been above 50 degrees for the past 3 days. So that's, the clusters are broken. But yeah, we should have another cold temperature, usually in February, March. So this is the weakest one, the single deep. So I actually put some food for them today, some fondant actually, just to make sure that they have enough resources. That's those hives, and then this hive is the one that I combined 2 singles together because one queen disappeared, and it looks like they're pretty active. Still have some resources right there, but I think I should add some more. The hive was a little bit disconfigured because I didn't move any frames when I combined them 2 together. I didn't move any frames around, so I ended up with just both top and bottom having a gap in the middle without resources. Now this one seems like the cluster is still at the bottom mostly, so have plenty of food. Well, that is February 1st, and that is exciting that the hives actually are still looking pretty good. I don't know about how the mites are doing right now. I'm not going to be testing them just yet for that. So the season is starting.